In today's lecture, we will discuss how to implement or realize AND, OR, NOT and NOR gates by using only NAND gates. In the topic on logic gates, we have discussed that the NAND gate and NOR gates are called universal gates because we can realize or we can implement any logic gate by using either only NAND gates or only NOR gates. Today we will discuss how we can implement the AND, OR, NOT and NOR gates by using only NAND gates. So as you can see in the figure A, we have implemented a NOT gate by using one NAND gate. As you can see from this figure, this is the symbol of NAND gate. So if we take one NAND gate and we give one input A to both the terminals, then the output will be equal to A dot A complement, and we know that A dot A is A. So this value comes out to be A complement, and A complement is the output of NOT gate. Because in NOT gate, when we give the input A, then we get the output as the complement of A. So we have implemented a NOT gate by using one NAND gate. Now let us implement AND gate with the help of NAND gates. As you can see in the figure B, we have taken one NAND gate to which we have given two inputs A and B. So the output obtained here will be the complement of A dot B. Now when we give this output to the input of a second NAND gate, then we get the output as A dot B double complement, and we know that the double complement means the variable itself. So this value comes out to be A dot B. And this, from this output we find that this is the output of a AND gate. So we have obtained one AND gate by using two NAND gates. Now let us see how we can implement an OR gate by using NAND gates. As we see from this figure C, we have taken two NAND gates to which we have given the inputs A and B. To the first NAND gate, we have given the input A to both the inputs. Similarly, we have given the input B to both the inputs of the second NAND gate. So the output obtained by the first NAND gate will be the complement of A, and the output obtained by the second NAND gate will be the complement of B. Now these two outputs are given to the input of a third NAND gate, which will give the output as the product of these two inputs and its complement. So we will get A complement dot B complement and whole complement. Now when we solve this by using De Morgan's theorem, then it will come out to be A double complement plus B double complement, and A double complement will give A, B double complement will be B, so that the value comes out to be A plus B. And from the truth table from the logic formula of OR gate, we know that this is the output of OR gate. So we have obtained OR gate by using a minimum of 3 NAND gates. So minimum of 3 NAND gates are needed to make one OR gate. Now let us see how we can implement a NOR gate with the help of NAND gates. As you can see in the figure D, we have taken 4 NAND gates to implement a NOR gate. We have given the input A to both the inputs of the first NAND gate, and similarly we have given the input B to the second NAND gate. So this gate will give the output as the complement of A, and this gate will give the output as the complement of B. Now when these two outputs are given to the input of the third NAND gate, then the output obtained here will be equal to A complement dot B complement, and when we solve this by De Morgan's theorem, it comes out to be A plus B. Now this output is given to a fourth NAND gate, to both the inputs of fourth NAND gate, and if we find out the output of this NAND gate, then it comes out to be A plus B complement, because this bubble will complement the value of this input. So the output obtained here is the complement of A plus B, and this is the logic formula of NOR gate. So we have implemented a NOR gate by using 4 NAND gates. So in order to implement a NOR gate, we need a minimum of 4 NAND gates. That is, a minimum of 4 NAND gates are needed to implement a OR gate. Similarly, a minimum of 3 inputs are needed to implement one OR gate. And for implementing AND gates, we need 2 NAND gates, and for realizing one NOT gate, we need 1 NAND gate. This is how we can implement any gate by using only NAND gates. That is why NAND gate is also called universal gates. In the next lecture, we will discuss how to implement the various types of logic gates by using only NOR gates.